how to start a YouTube channel with your iPhone. Do I need a bunch of equipment like a ring light, tripod, and an overall professional setup with lights and everything? The answer is no, you do not need it. It can be helpful as you grow, but you don't need it. Luckily for you, you don't need it at all. Every video on my channel that I've ever shot has come directly off of my iPhone. And it's an SE to be exact. It's not even an S, a 6 or 7 or 8 or X or whatever. You can do it all off your iPhone. You can use your Android, you can use your iPhone E, iPhone SE, whatever it is. A lot of my videos I have hit 1K views and 10K views even. I just had a video that recently hit 10K views. And it's all through the power of a simple phone. Your phone is so powerful. I'm gonna explain to you and share with you how you can do everything off your iPhone, without necessarily needing all this other equipment. And I'm living proof of it. Living real life proof. Feel me? Enjoy the video.
When you're feeling low and you can't see the light, everything is gonna be alright.
Alright, so welcome back to the channel. This channel aims to provide you edutainment. In every single video, I aim to not only entertain you, but to also educate you on various subject matters. That's why I call it edutainment. The education, the entertainment, the best of both worlds. Feel me? So definitely subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you. Like the video, Millie rock on that like button.
In New York, I Millie rock. Hiding in my sock.
Like button. Hit them folks on that subscribe button. I appreciate you. Now, I'm gonna keep it 1K with y'all. 1,000, okay? Not everyone that you see with a YouTube channel is actually doing YouTube seriously or taking it, you know, as like a passion. There are many people I see it all over YouTube. There are so many people who have YouTube channels. They made videos like a year ago, 3 months ago, 6 months ago, but they're not consistent with it. So don't fall into the perception that, oh, everybody's doing YouTube. Not everybody's doing YouTube. Some people are posting videos from time to time, but they're not posting like a regular scheduled video once every week, twice every week, 3 times a week, or every single day for that matter. Not everyone is actually doing YouTube like it seems they're doing, right? I mean, ask your friends. How many of your friends are actually making videos on YouTube or whatever? It's not actually like that, right? Or how many people in your school are actually making YouTube videos? There's not that many, right? So the ones that are actually making videos are making at least one video every week consistently, or more per week. Okay, so don't get caught up in the hype that, oh, there's too many people, there's too many YouTubers, content creators already out there. I can't even join. I can't get my fair share of attention or whatever. Everybody can eat. There's room for everybody.
If you're alive, that means you was the winner of a race with a billion other niggas.
Right.
What?
Right.
You know what that means? So, the fact that you're here means that you have the responsibility to be the best you.
Exactly.
And absolutely no one else can be you. So, that's why niggas could talk shit. Niggas could talk about YouTube views and how many niggas is watching now.
If you want to make it happen, you can make it happen. You feel me? Now, just real quick, the benefits of doing it off your phone. It allows you not to spend a ton of equipment on a camera that you make. Like I said before, people post videos on YouTube, right? But they don't always like post consistently, or even like take it, you know, like a serious passion, or kind of like a, because it is, at the end of the day, it's a kind of a job because you get paid from what you do, right? But they don't take it like, oh, this is what I love to do. It's like showing up to work every week, right? If you don't go to work every week, well, you really have, can you even consider that a job or something that you're doing for a living? No, right? So doing it, you can do everything off of your iPhone, just a simple phone to get started, right? And even if you're scared to like record yourself, it's good to just record yourself and post it on YouTube. Set the video to private so that no one can see it just yet. If you're still kind of scared for people to find your video, just make the video, record it, and put it on private so you can see yourself on YouTube at least, right? And get acclimated to seeing yourself on video, right? So that's how you should do it. The only drawback I would ever say to recording and editing off your iPhone is that you can, the storage space on your phone can be limited. So I definitely suggest deleting unnecessary apps that you may not be using and deleting unnecessary photos that you may have on your phone. Ideally, if you really want to, it would be to have a separate phone for just recording and just making videos, while in addition to your personal like iPhone or whatever. So you ideally have your personal iPhone and then a separate phone just for making videos. But if you can't do that either, or don't have the budget to get another phone, or there's no other phone available, then just shoot off your phone and delete unnecessary stuff on your phone to create more space. So that's the only real drawback of editing and making videos off of your phone, pretty much. So real quick, let me show y'all my setup. It's pretty basic, and it gets the job done. I've shot videos that have 10K views, 1K views off of this same exact kind of setup. So let me just show you all. So real quick, as you can see, this is the setup pretty much, right? This is the setup. A book as my tripod, quote unquote. Ring lighting from natural light from the window, and then just my phone. Simple, basic setup. Gets the job done with no like qualms or issues. Simple. Book as my storage, natural light because it's the best light, and that's it. And then I have my little notes here once in a while, just to make sure I don't like ramble on for too long or lose track of what I'm trying to say. But if you actually do want a tripod or a ring light, I'm gonna leave those linked in the description down below of quality ones that you can buy if you so choose. So it'll be in the description down below. So like I said again, the recording, my setup is pretty basic. Bunch of books or whatever you have that has the same type of height. Use those, put your phone on top, and voila, the setup is there. Again, you also have the natural light from the window. It's always the best light. Nothing beats natural light. Ring light can't beat natural light. Natural light does its job to the T. And ideally, you want to have your camera facing you so you can see everything that's going on in the background. Like, is the background nice? Like, definitely clean up your background if need be, so you can see where your hands are going and moving, where you're moving. So rather than have the camera facing backwards, have it in terms of like a selfie mode, so you can see yourself and see yourself talking and stuff like that. So that's how you should organize your setup pretty much. So natural light, a bunch of books or objects for your tripod, bring your phone, and a couple of notes to make sure you're not rambling on and losing train of thought pretty much, right? So and then another aspect to recording after recording is editing. So if you just want to record and then just post it, that's fine too. Just click the share button on the video and it'll share it to YouTube straight away. But if you want to like cut out like all the ums and oohs and ahs.
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
In your video, or even add some funny clips and whatever, I just use iMovie. Everything you see here in my channel is done off my phone. The thumbnails, I'll make another video about that coming up soon. But the thumbnails, the recording, the editing, everything done off of the iPhone. I used an app called Fonto for thumbnails. I'll make a video about that. But essentially, I just use iMovie to record and edit all the dead clips so the videos aren't extremely too long or boring or make you not want to watch it extended period of time. So yeah, you don't necessarily need an editing software like Final Cut Pro or all this other stuff. You just use iMovie. iMovie is already built into the iPhone like setup. Use iMovie to edit, cut out dead clips, add in funny clips wherever possible, and that's it pretty much, bro. That's what gets the job done for me. I make money off of my phone when I add like different things like AdSense, YouTube, all that stuff, right? So My phone is like my money maker pretty much. So let me hit y'all back up with the mindset. You start where you are with what you have, okay? You don't have to be great to get started, but you have to get started to be great. That's the saying. Try it out, give it your best shot. This is the most basic, inexpensive setup you could ever have, right? All you need is the books, light, clean up your background a bit, and you're good to go to, you know, start your YouTube career as a content creator. Because not just a YouTuber, what you do extends beyond just YouTube, right? So that's what it is. And again, you can't expect to blow up within like, I know, I personally have seen situations where people have started YouTube videos in a shorter time than I have, with more subscribers, more views, but I don't watch that. I just keep focused on myself, making my thing pop, growing on a consistent basis. Because if you keep looking at the next man, what the next man and the next girl is doing, you'll lose track of your own thing and what you're trying to do. So the people who have started long before me with fewer views, and the people who have started after me with more views and subscribers. This is what it is. Everybody has their own journey to get to certain places, right? But I appreciate the grind to grow steadily, because it allows me to, you know, be grateful for where I started and to appreciate where I'm headed. So don't expect to blow. You might have a video that blows you up real quick. You hop on the trend or whatever, and voila. But if you don't post consistently, people will forget why they subscribed to you in the first place. I see every time someone hasn't posted in like 3 months or whatever, I'm like, yo, why did I subscribe to this guy? Like, what? You just forget about the person, right? So when you get started, post consistently, at least once a week, at the very minimum. Ideally, when you get to that level, 3 times a week. You're pumping out videos 3 times a week. But just to get started, once a week. And the key to, you know, making more videos is to make your videos in batches. That means as soon as you start recording, record 2 videos that day. Record 2 videos that day while you're still in the recording mindset and still all that. You're happy because you don't. Not every day do you feel like you want to record yourself, right? So while you already have the setup, the light is good, and you're in that mood, record 2 videos that day so that you have content to edit and create on the days that you don't feel like recording, or whenever you are editing, right? And it also speeds up the workflow. When you have 2 videos already, you can record those, okay, and then edit 2 at the same time, and then post 2 at the same time, or whenever you schedule to post it. That's how you always have videos in the backlog. Like even right now, I have like 2 or 3 videos saved up on my YouTube that are private that I'm ready to post. So that's how you like run out of things to post. But yeah, y'all, hope I gave y'all the keys to record off of your iPhone. You don't need nothing else. A couple books, light, setup, clean your background, and you're good to go. Okay? You don't need all that other fancy stuff just yet if you don't want to, or you can't afford to, or if you don't even know if you want to actually do YouTube. Just trying to experiment, right? So start where you are with what you have, and progress as things go forward. You feel me? Alright, I appreciate you coming onto the channel. Make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna probably make a couple other videos in the series on how to edit off your iPhone, how to record, how to make a thumbnail off of your iPhone and stuff like that. And I'll leave that in this video as well going forward. But I appreciate you. I appreciate your time, your view, your comments. Does not go unnoticed. Much love, peace, and joy. Namaste. And if it doesn't feed you, don't water it. It is what it be. Bye.
When you're feeling